Repair an office application. If a Microsoft 365 application such as Word or Excel isn't working correctly, sometimes restarting it will fix the problem. If that doesn't work, you can try repairing it. When you are done, you might need to restart your computer. Right-click the Start button, lower left corner, and select Installed Apps on the pop-up menu. Select the Microsoft Office product you want to repair, click the ellipsis and select Modify. Click on these three dots and then select Modify. Note, this will repair the entire Office suite even if it's just one application you want to repair, such as Word or Excel. If you have a standalone app installed, then search for that application by name. Depends on your Office installation type. Click to Run or MSI based. You will see the following options to proceed with the repair. Follow the steps for your installation type. Click to Run. In the window, how would you like to repair your Office programs? Select Online Repair, then Repair to make sure everything gets fixed. The faster Quick Repair option is also available, but it only detects and then replaces corrupted files. MSI based. In the change your installation window, select Repair and then click Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the repair. Hope they solve your problem. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.